Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster who wanted to know how to degrade the luminance on this photo from brightness on the outside, gradating down to darkness in the center. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. There's an easy way and there's a slightly harder way, and it's up to you which one looks better. So let's start with the easy way. We got this first one layer here. And all we got to do is open up a new layer. So we want to pick the color and take this down here to the bottom left corner, which makes it pure black. And then we grab a brush here, down here, it's 100 point, it's too small. I'm going to add a 0 here, make it 1,000 points. And now you see how big it is. All I got to do is just tap this once in the middle, boom, and that's it. We can come up here and take that 100% and bring it down so that it's a little less obvious to something right around there. About 50%. And you can see what's happened is it's lighter on the outside and it gets darker as it goes to the middle. Now that's the easy way, but it may not be the best way. I'm going to undo that. I'll delete that layer. This is the second way to do it. I would right click up here and choose duplicate. So now we get two layers of the exact same thing. Let's turn off the top layer for a second and work with the bottom layer. What we want to do is darken the bottom layer. So we're going to go up here to enhance, lighting, brightness, and we don't want to work with the contrast because obviously that would make it too contrasty, as you can see. So we're going to leave that at 0. But we want to take the brightness and we can make it really bright or we can make it a lot darker. And this is kind of what we're looking for, the darkness. So this is the before and after. So we're going to use that as our center for the center darkness. I'm going to hit OK. Now all we have to do is turn on the top layer. Let's choose that top layer and grab an eraser, and just like we did painting before with a soft brush, that's too small. I'm going to add a 0 down here to make it 1,000 points, and I'm going to basically erase the center here. Boom, I tapped it once. If I want a little bit more, maybe I'll do this at like 750, and I'll go to the center and do it one more time. So see what's happening is it's lighter on the outside and it's darker on the middle. If you want to see what's happening here, it's basically cutting a hole. I'm showing you the top layer right now. It's leaving the outside brightness edge on, but cutting a hole as we get closer to the center. So now it's brighter on the outside and it gets darker as we go to the center. Well, that's it for this tutorial. This is Rich, calling it quits, saying over and out.